Hello, this is Kelly Beltman with the service department. We're going to go over some frequently asked questions. Okay, we're going to do a button test here. So if your remote is not working, the most common issue with remotes not working is e-stop button is bad, but we can test all the buttons too. So we'll start by pushing both bottom buttons, release the buttons, press the top button to run diagnostics, press the green button, press the green button again to test the buttons. As you're testing, you'll see a 0 on the screen as you go across. Press the red button to exit. I'll press this top button 2 times to get to test the e-stop. Green button, e-stop is in, e-stop is out. Like I said, the most common problem is the e-stop, and normally you'll see it say in even though it's out, is when I usually see problems. And then press the red button to exit out all the screens, and complete.